Japan, as we all know, one of the most developed country, whether in the field of technology, economy or education. But was it always like that? Is Japan a developed country from the beginning? They have faced and passed through several tragedies, but always came back stronger. But how? Let's see. After World War II had ended, Japan was devastated. All the large cities, industries, and transportation networks were severely damaged. Shortage of food continued for several years. Japan basically lost all the territory acquired after 1894. After the defeat in World War II, the United States led the Allies in the occupation and rehabilitation of the Japanese state. General Douglas MacArthur took charge of the Allied powers and began the work of rebuilding Japan. They together made several pacts, policies, and plans for the growth of Japan. But the rapid economic growth did not only resulted from special government policies and revolutionary events, but were also achieved by the cumulative effort and hard work by the people. Technological improvements in Japan contributed greatly to its economic growth. The improvement of technology in one industry influenced the growth of many other industries. Everything was going well until the oil crisis in 1973.
Producing countries of the Arab world decided to use their oil as a political weapon. They will reduce oil production by 5% a month until
Which
the
had an
Israelis
enormous
withdraw.
effect on the growing Japanese economy, since Japan had depended on the supply of oil for driving its economic growth. Japan went into recession for a short period of time. However, they managed to keep economy under control by its tight money policies and again achieved successful recovery. Another major tragedy in Japan's history which broke country into pieces with a lot of life loss and economy loss is the 2011 earthquake followed by tsunami. It was a massive earthquake of magnitude 9.1 and tsunami waves up to a height of 38 meters. An estimated 20,000 people were dead or missing and close to 500,000 people were forced to evacuate. Above all that, a nuclear power plant meltdown triggered a nuclear energy crisis. It's a series of disasters, the earthquake, tsunami, and nuclear disaster, causing an economic loss of approximately 360 billion US dollars. The Japanese government set a 10-year time for recovery with specific targets for cleaning debris, restoring infrastructure, and housing. Most of the infrastructure that had been destroyed has been reconstructed. Housing construction is well underway. They are still in the phase of recovery, but they are recovering, and much has been achieved, and still Japan's economy is one of the world's largest. The most important factor that enabled Japan's amazing growth, which is an exception to modern economic history, was the ability of the people itself to successfully combine all the knowledge and skills gained from foreign countries, then improving those skills to fit their own system. This miracle from the World War II till now did not appear just simply due to the support from Americans or some treaty with other countries. It's a combined effort of the whole nation and a willpower to never give up.